Sit in a way that is comfortable for you to ground. Sit bones on the floor, back straight. Closing your eyes and then taking a deep breath into your diaphragm and slowly blowing it out as you imagine all of the negativity of your day is leaving your body with every exhale. Breathe in again, down deep into your diaphragm, and release. Breathe in and release. As your body becomes one with where you are sitting and your mind begins to clear of the chatter, take one last deep breath in and release. I invite you to go to a place where you feel safe now, a place that inspires you and where you feel connected. It could be a place in nature, sitting under a magnificent tree. It could be on a beach where the sun is shining on you and warming every bone in your body. It could be a comfy spot in your own home. And as you visualize this place in your mind's eye, take in a deep breath and slowly breathe it out. While staying in your sacred place, I'd like you to imagine tree roots growing from the bottom of your spine. They are growing down into the earth, slowly pushing their way through all the layers of earth, the layers of rock, slowly finding their way to the core of the earth. This is Gaia, Mother Earth. And as you reach the core of the earth, those roots attach. They entangle and intertwine so that you are completely attached and grounded to Mother Earth. Now feel the Mother Earth energy gently move up through your roots, winding its way back towards your body, up through the layers of the earth, and finally arriving at your tailbone, moving its way into your body and finding its way to your heart as it fills your heart with grounding love. Just breathe in the energy. Imagine the energy pooling in your heart and then radiating out into every pore of your body. You can feel your heart opening and expanding as you are prepared to receive, knowing that you are completely safe and that whatever you are imagining or feeling right now is absolutely perfect. Imagine now, just above the top of your head, there is an opening, and a beautiful golden light is pouring into your body from the universe. This is the divine, universal light, the all-knowing, all-loving presence. This beautiful golden light brings you healing energy, loving energy, and acceptance that you are enough. You are beautifully perfect exactly the way you are. Breathe this energy into your body as you feel it travel through your head, down your spine, and into your heart. Meeting with the Mother Earth energy, you are now grounded to Mother Earth and connected to Universal Source. Allow yourself to sit in this place, this sacred place that you have created for yourself, this place of peace, relaxation, and unconditional love. The stillness and the quietness is beautiful. And know that if your mind wanders back to the day's events, that's perfectly normal. Just observe the thought and bring your attention back to your sacred place. There is no way to do this wrong. Allow yourself to know that you are a perfect soul, having incredible human experiences, and that you are now filled with unconditional love and acceptance that whatever your experiences are, they are exactly what you should be experiencing, and that you are doing nothing wrong. I'm going to assist you in becoming aware of your chakras, starting with the crown chakra, just above your head. Imagine a divine golden light entering into the top of your head, pouring down in and flowing through into your head. As this golden light flows down into your crown, it finds its way to your third eye. This is the area on your forehead between your eyebrows. Imagine the golden divine light shining out of your third eye into the room. And as that light continues to flow down the back of your neck, makes its way to your throat chakra, pooling and swirling around in your throat and around all your vocal cords, healing your voice, giving you strength to speak your truth. The divine golden light moves down now to your heart chakra. This feeling is familiar to you. It fills your heart with acceptance and love. Feel how beautiful this feels and how connected you are. The divine light moves down now into your solar plexus. This is your power source, your truth, your confidence, your self-worth. Breathe in the healing energy of the divine light. Heighten your awareness of your strength to live your truth. Know that you are able to create the life that you want. and you are able to be in the loving kindness with yourself and with others. The divine light moves on to your sacral chakra, just below your belly button. It pools again, bringing you support in feeling safe, feeling abundant, and full of life. Know that you are loved, you are confident, you are safe and supported, now and always. Finally, your root chakra is holding you grounded to Mother Earth. And in that grounding, you know that you are safe, financially supported, and you are living in an abundance of shelter, food, and water, as you are wholly rooted in your humanness. And it is beautiful. I invite you now to speak within your own mind your I am statement. I am love. I am living a life of total and complete abundance. I am healthy. Repeating it over and over, believing it and allowing it to stir within your body with the energies that you have just received. And when you are done, sit in the silence of your sacred place until I indicate that it's time for you to come back. I am inviting you back to the room now. Gently bring your awareness back to the room when you are ready. Wiggling your toes, becoming aware of your body, becoming aware of your breath, moving your fingers slightly, fluttering your eyes, and knowing that this is your sacred place that you can return to anytime. Now allowing yourself to open your eyes, feeling so calm and so relaxed. Namaste.